Hello guys, for this video yung video ko, wala akong magawa sa buhay ko. Ang ingay, hindi ako makatulog. Di ba nakahood ako? Malamig pa eh. Wala. Gusto ko to. Trip ko to guys. Huwag yung kontra. At huwag yung pala decision sa trip ko. Shout out guys. Shout out everyone. Shout out sa lahat ng mga pinti. Wala. Ganito lang. Ang magawa sa buhay kung hindi magbabali-bali dito. Shouts out sa lahat ng team. Team Labori. Music Foundation. Shout out. Ganyan. Bakit ganyan?
You know, we're working together. Wait. I will laugh and laugh.
Ano nangyari dyan? Usapan na, ano kasi...
Because she's very serious.
Ate? Yes. Magang mag-English kasi para hindi maintindihan nila yung...
I know.
Ay, ano, huwag kang magalit dyan, papangit ka. Kakasabi mo lang. Kakasabi mo lang, huwag kang magagalit. Papangit ka, sinabi mo.
I never choose any country. May I love all. Because you know what? We're same. Huh? But there is some people that they don't like Ethiopia, they don't like Canada, they don't like Indonesia, they don't like... May I like everybody.
Alexa!
That's why if you are and me together working, oh my God, maybe we're crazy, huh? Every day we laugh.
More it a
Make
dog.
money. I like the GT. Are we serious? You will become quickly kapchara.
Akil, yala, kalas akil.
Oh, dua ba?
Tumingin kayo.
Because you don't know what I mean. Huh? When I tell one girl, when I tell once married, then you understand what hotdogs are?
Loko.
That's why she loves so much.
Kumain na kayo, oy.
Same like this hotdog.
O, tingnan mo.
Like this hotdog. Huh?
Ate Mary.
Get me sauce. Get me sauce.
Yatay.